Hi, welcome back. Now we would like to discuss substring. So if we have one original string and we would like to form a new string from the existing string, we need to use this substr library function in C++. So we initialize one string here. Let me just change the name for the sake of simplicity, my string. And let me revise this part and this part. Okay. So my string is here and my string 2. Let me just revise the name here as well. Okay. So my string is the original string that is saying hello world. And we would like to form the new string, which we call here my string 2. In order to do that, we would like to form the second string from some part of the first string. To do that, we have substr function. There are two arguments here. So basically, in these two arguments, there are two numbers, and they mean that extract 5 characters starting from position 7. So position 7 is here. Let me find it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. So starting at position 7, take 5 characters. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the word is going to be extracted from the first string and it's going to make a copy in the second string. But the first string remains the same. We are not modifying the first string, but only taking some part of the first string to be copied in the second string. So first we are printing out the second string to see how it works. Yes, great. So we see that this word part is copied and pasted in our second string. So we made a new string, we formed a new string from an original string. And if we print the original string here as well, where original string, we see that the original string remains the same. So basically we declared and initialized one string. We took some part of it, we copy pasted some part of it in a new string starting from position 7, taking 5 characters, and using this library function substr, we copy and paste this part of the first string into the second string. Then we printed out the second string, and we also printed out the first string to show that the first string is not changed at all. So here you see the substring is word, substring is word. This is exactly what we wanted, and the original string remains the same, hello world, and we have the original string here. Thank you for watching.